wake up this morning, will you come and give me head? I shouted, do you want some breakfast? But you just rolled back to bed. So I painted my misery with my coffee and my toast, wondering if I should stay here or move back to the coast, where my tears would feel so warm and welcome, where the salt would wash it all away. But I guess I'll stay. But I guess I'll stay.